You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window wiper. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.